Pemirsa, gempa bumi terjadi di Aceh Barat dengan kekuatan magnitudo 6,4 skala Richter.
Gempa barusan terjadi tanggal 28 September.
Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to mitigate earthquake disaster, especially from the perspective geological student and also for the general public.
An earthquake is a natural disaster caused by the movement of tectonic plates in the earth crust. Earthquake cannot be prevented, but the impacts can be reduced through proper mitigation.
As geological student, one important role is studying tectonic plates, faults, and earthquake patterns. By acknowledging geological data, we can help identify earthquake-prone areas and provide information for disaster planning.
Geological students can also help the society by educating communities about earthquake risks and safe action during earthquakes. Public awareness is very important to reduce it.
Government and institutions also play an important role by providing early warning system, disaster education, and proper urban planning.
People should also practice safety actions such as drop, cover, and hold on. This means dropping to the ground, taking cover under a strong table, and holding on until the shaking stops.
In general, mitigation can be done before an earthquake happens. For example, building earthquake-resistant structure, preparing emergency kits, and learning evacuation route.
In conclusion, earthquakes cannot be stopped, but with good knowledge, preparation, and cooperation between scientists, government, and communities, we can reduce the risk and impact of earthquake disaster.